Hello, dear viewers. The way our body is connected is truly incredible. Every bite we take, every sip we drink, and every breath we inhale doesn't just affect one part of us, it influences our entire system. And that's particularly true when it comes to our circulation. Our legs and feet, though they might seem distant, are just as critical to our well-being as our heart or brain. It's vital to keep blood flowing freely down there. But how can we ensure that? You might be surprised to hear this, but the grocery store is your first port of call. The food we eat can directly impact our circulation. And today, we're diving deep into the kitchen to discover the top 12 foods that can enhance blood flow in our legs and feet. So, whether you're an athlete looking to boost performance or someone who simply wants to keep their toes warm in the winter, stick around because we have some delicious and healthy suggestions coming right up. 1. Fatty fish. Now, let's talk about our first powerhouse food for improved blood circulation. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their multitude of health benefits, including improved blood flow. But how exactly does this work? Omega-3 fatty acids help improve blood flow by reducing inflammation in the blood vessels and thinning the blood. This leads to less clotting and blockage, which in turn helps blood circulate more freely to all parts of the body, including the legs and feet. Moreover, omega-3 fatty acids can help lower blood pressure and reduce triglyceride levels, further promoting healthy circulation. But the benefits of fatty fish don't stop there. Regular consumption of fatty fish can also contribute to heart health, improved brain function, and a healthier immune system. They're a great source of vitamin D, which is necessary for bone health, and protein, which helps with muscle building and repair. As for how much fatty fish you should eat for optimal blood flow, the American Heart Association recommends consuming at least 2 servings per week. A serving size is about 3.5 ounces of cooked fish or roughly 3/4 cup of flaked fish. Remember, the way you prepare your fish matters. To preserve the beneficial omega-3s, it's best to bake or grill your fish rather than fry it. And there you have it, folks. The first item on our list, fatty fish, truly is a superfood when it comes to promoting better blood flow in your legs and feet. 2. Garlic. Let's move on to the next superfood on our list, garlic. A powerful ingredient that not only adds a punch of flavor to our dishes, but also packs a serious health punch. Garlic has been known for its health benefits for centuries, with records showing that ancient civilizations used it for its medicinal properties. It's loaded with compounds that can improve blood flow. The main component responsible is allicin, which is released when garlic cloves are chopped or crushed. Allicin helps widen blood vessels and makes blood less sticky, which can help prevent blood clots and enhance circulation to the legs and feet. It may also help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Aside from promoting healthy circulation, garlic is a potent source of antioxidants, helping combat oxidative stress in the body. Regular consumption may help boost your immune system, support healthy skin, improve bone health, and aid digestion. When it comes to how much garlic you should consume, a common recommendation is 1 to 2 fresh cloves per day. You can add garlic to sauces, salad dressings, marinades, soups, or use it as a topping on your favorite dishes. Keep in mind that excessive heat can reduce allicin levels, so adding garlic toward the end of cooking may help preserve its beneficial properties. So that's garlic for you, a small ingredient with significant health benefits, helping your blood flow to all the right places. 3. Walnuts. All right, let's crack open our next food item, the humble but mighty walnut. Walnuts are known for their high content of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Similar to the omega-3s found in fatty fish, ALA may help improve blood flow by reducing inflammation in blood vessels and supporting healthy circulation. Walnuts are also rich in L-arginine, an amino acid that helps the body produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide plays a vital role in vascular health because it helps blood vessels relax and expand, supporting better circulation throughout the body. On top of that, walnuts are rich in antioxidants, fiber, magnesium, and copper, all of which contribute to overall health. A good rule of thumb is to enjoy a handful of walnuts per day, about 1 to 2 ounces. You can eat them as a snack, toss them into salads, or blend them into smoothies. To sum it up, when it comes to promoting better circulation, especially to your legs and feet, adding walnuts to your diet is a nutty good idea. 4. Turmeric. Let's spice things up with our next superfood, turmeric. Turmeric has been celebrated for its medicinal properties for thousands of years, particularly in Ayurvedic medicine. The magic lies in curcumin, a bioactive compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Inflammation can damage blood vessels over time and contribute to poor circulation. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation, allowing blood to flow more freely throughout the body. In addition, curcumin may support healthy blood vessel function and cardiovascular health. Beyond circulation, turmeric may aid digestion, support brain health, and help combat oxidative stress. For optimal benefits, turmeric is often consumed alongside black pepper, which contains peperino, a compound that significantly enhances curcumin absorption. You can add turmeric to curries, soups, smoothies, golden milk, or tea. A dash of this golden spice might just be the golden ticket to better circulation in your legs and feet. 5. Berries. Next on our list are colorful, delicious berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with flavonoids, a group of antioxidants linked to improved heart and vascular health. Flavonoids help stimulate the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and promotes healthy circulation. Berries are also loaded with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Aim for 1 to 2 servings of berries daily. A serving is roughly 1 cup. Enjoy them fresh, mixed into yogurt, blended into smoothies, or added to oatmeal. Adding a pop of color to your plate with berries is a delicious way to support healthy blood flow. 6. Oranges. Let's peel back the layers on our next food item, oranges. Oranges are famous for their vitamin C content, but vitamin C also plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood vessels. It helps strengthen capillary walls and supports efficient circulation. Oranges also contain flavonoids that may help improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. Beyond circulation, oranges support immune health, aid iron absorption, and provide beneficial fiber and potassium. Try incorporating 1 orange into your daily diet, whether eaten fresh, added to salads, blended into smoothies, or enjoyed as fresh juice. Oranges are a sweet and refreshing way to support circulation. 7. Dark chocolate. Now let's indulge in a treat that's both delicious and beneficial. Dark chocolate, especially varieties containing at least 70% cocoa, is rich in flavonols. These compounds help stimulate nitric oxide production, relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. Dark chocolate is also packed with antioxidants and minerals such as magnesium, iron, copper, and manganese. Because it is calorie-dense, moderation is important. Enjoy about 1 to 2 ounces per day. Dark chocolate proves that healthy foods can still satisfy your sweet tooth. 8. Spinach. Now let's dig into a leafy green favorite, spinach. Spinach is rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This helps widen blood vessels and improve circulation to the legs and feet. Spinach is also loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, along with iron, magnesium, antioxidants, and fiber. Aim for at least 1 serving per day. Whether raw, sautéed, blended into smoothies, or added to soups, spinach is a fantastic choice for supporting circulation. 9. Ginger. Let's heat things up with ginger. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties can help support healthy blood vessels and circulation. Ginger is also well known for helping with nausea, digestion, and overall digestive comfort. Adding 1 to 2 grams of ginger to your daily diet may provide meaningful benefits. Enjoy it fresh, dried, powdered, or brewed into tea. Its warming properties make it a flavorful way to support healthy blood flow. 10. Celery. Next up is celery. Celery contains naturally occurring nitrates that can help support nitric oxide production and healthy blood vessel function. It also contains compounds that may help support healthy blood pressure levels. Rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin K, celery contributes to overall cardiovascular health. Aim for 4 to 5 medium stalks daily. Whether eaten raw, added to soups, salads, or stir-fries, celery is a crunchy way to support circulation. 11. Pomegranates. Now let's burst into our next food item, pomegranates. These jewel-like fruits are packed with polyphenol antioxidants that help support blood vessel health and circulation. Pomegranates may also help support healthy blood pressure levels and overall cardiovascular function. Beyond circulation, they offer anti-inflammatory properties and are rich in nutrients. Aim for about 1 cup of seeds or 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily. Enjoy them on their own, in yogurt, salads, or smoothies. Pomegranates truly are one of nature's most impressive fruits. 12. Beets. We're rounding off our list with a vegetable that's hard to beat: beets. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving circulation throughout the body. Beets are also packed with potassium, vitamin C, iron, fiber, and antioxidants. Including 1 to 2 cups of cooked beets or beetroot juice each week can be a great addition to a circulation-friendly diet. Whether roasted, steamed, juiced, or added to salads, beets are a nutritional powerhouse. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods do you already eat, and which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.